The future of manufacturing is powered by AI. At the AIM Centre, we're helping companies harness artificial intelligence and automation to shape what's next. We're proud to introduce Ireland's first national AI studio for manufacturing, a dedicated space where companies can explore how AI can innovate, optimise and future-proof their operations. Through AI demonstrations, you'll experience real-world applications and discover how AI can enhance everything from HR and finance to production and logistics. The studio's AI Accelerator programme provides practical, hands-on support, helping businesses create and deliver their own AI adoption strategy, turning ideas into impact. And with the Travelling AI Studio, we're bringing innovation nationwide, making advanced technologies accessible to every manufacturer in Ireland. The National AI Studio for Manufacturing at AIM Centre, where innovation meets industry.